What's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today, I am playing Escape the Aquarium Obby. So we're just gonna escape real quick. Wait, what did you say? The aquarium is flooding. We need to escape. I don't need to see... Oh yeah, this is a little bit. Look how much water that is. Will he die? No. Okay. Jump on the cones to the other side. Okay. Well, most of the water's in there. Like it's all blue in there. Maybe it's like blue paint, but OMG! That's a big octopus. Yeah, it is. But how is there water out? Because there's no cracks in there. And there's bubbles, so there's definitely water in there. There's no spill. There's an oil spill, or like, I don't know what that is, ink or something. Looks like that. Okay, that's definitely flooded. But we're jumping on sharks, and like, that one must hurt. People just jumping on you as a fish, jellyfish, shark. Like, a shark probably just eat you. Like, put their head up and be like, oh no no. Yeah. Also, at the side, did you see? It says subscribe to Rowan. What? Roblox player. Subscribe to Roblox player. Yeah, that's true. Oh yeah. It says subscribe to Roblox player right there too. And like the video, turn on the notifications. Share this video with your family and friends as well. Almost at 50 subscribers, so that's pretty good. Thank you, guys. Okay, so I'm pretty sure there is a red button down there. I don't think we can touch water, so I don't know what you mean. We have to go. Okay, I'm just gonna hope we can touch this water. If we can, that's awesome. Oh, we can. Hello, fish. Don't mind me. Don't mind me at all. Now we just gotta go here. Wait, I thought. Oh, this isn't unlocked. Okay, let's go. Okay. Wait, where's that person? The person. Hey, come on. Come on, let's go. Fast. Okay. Whoa, there's 3 people here. Okay. Nope, it's not there. Yes, it's this one. Come here, this way. This way, this way. Okay, I'm gonna guess the middle. No. Wait. Wait a second. It is the middle. Wow. This one, this one. Okay, I'm gonna help this person. This one. And then this one. Let's go. Nope, wrong one again. Wow. Okay. That octopus is deadly. He just wants to make a friend, maybe. We're gonna get pooped out, I guarantee you. I can guarantee you. We're gonna get pooped out. Yep, slide like always. There's always a slide. I don't even... Red lasers in an octopus's body. Wow. Okay, there's clams and stuff. Pretty disgusting, dude. Like, this octopus has been eating all this. Looks like tentacles in his body. Literally, he does not chew his food. Or, I don't even know if it's a boy. But, because there's like jellyfish that are not even chewed. It's kind of disgusting. Just takes a whole jellyfish and nom 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 without chewing. Eats it without chewing. Like, that's kind of disgusting. Chew before you swallow. Jeez. Okay, let's go. This is actually kind of flooded. Probably the cracks in the wall. There's cracks in the wall. Okay. Blue. Not yellow. It has to be green. No. Oh, you can't even. Oh. Man. Okay. Blue. Nope, it's yellow. Yellow and then. No. Wait. yellow, and then I'm gonna guess red. I have a good feeling about this. Oh, it was actually right. Oh my gosh. Okay. And then there's more flooded in this in a pattern. Like that's kind of like crazy. How okay, we're actually neighborhood. Grass should be able to touch this. Oh no, you die when you touch grass. Or just green, I don't even know what it is. Okay. Let's go. We escaped. Remember to subscribe to Roblox Player, which is me, and like the video. Turn on notifications as well. Okay, we're gonna take the red path because red was Roblox, now it's like silver. Okay. Whoa! That was crazy. No! I almost fell down. I'm still falling. Oh no. No! Don't want to go fall. Ooh, there's tentacles down here. Hello? Uh-oh. High five, can I give you a high five? Yeah, high five. Okay, I thought I was actually gonna die from that, but... Go up here. Now we're on the roof. Okay, let's see what the behind the scenes. It's like behind the scenes right here. Okay, this is like what the obby looks behind the scenes. It's pretty cool. It's like random shapes. Okay, and then like that looks like it could be a racing there. And then there, I don't even know what that would be. Like another like running thing. Or race, just race. Okay, let's see. Oh, that actually looks kind of nice. Oh yeah, that looks good. It's a tornado. Okay. Well, bye guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. Remember to like the video. Wait. And then turn on notifications. Share this with your friends and family. Get them to subscribe. Almost at 50 subscribers. So yeah. Every minute in this video equals 1 subscribe. Okay? So, yeah.